Hey Day, I've been thinking about learning some new skills, but I don't know where to start. There are so many platforms out there. How do I find a trustworthy institute?
That's a great decision, Sarah. If you're looking for a reliable platform, you should check out Skill Zeera. It's a registered institute with FBR, offering both free and paid courses at affordable prices.
That sounds interesting. But how do I know if it's legit?
Skill Zeera is fully registered, so you can trust it. Plus, they offer flexible timings, so you can learn at your own pace. Whether you want to improve your current skills or learn something completely new, this platform has it all.
That's exactly what I need. Do they offer courses that can help me start earning?
Yes. Many of their courses are designed to help you earn online or get better job opportunities. They have digital, non-digital and Islamic courses as well as...
Wow, this sounds perfect. And you said the courses are affordable?
Yes. They have both free and paid courses, and the paid ones are at reasonable prices. You won't have to spend a fortune to gain valuable skills.
That's amazing. I'll visit skillzeera.org today and sign up. Thanks for the recommendation, Day.
You're welcome. Invest in your skills today, and you'll see the benefits in no time.
Absolutely. Time to level up my skills and start earning.